Welcome back to UPLB. Wow! Hi guys! Happy 1st of February. And it's also my first day of walking again with my mom. Laan nyo sinong tinetext niya. Tinetext niya yung daddy ko na di kami sinama. Oh, welcome back. Welcome back to me. Magpa 5K na.
7,000.
Oh, dami na nating steps. Dami niya sinasabi. Okay na yun. Okay na guys, naka 5 km na kami. Did it. We walking. This is my day 1. Ito na yung start ng aking fitness journey this 2026. Wow! Kaya ko kaya pag mag-isa na lang ako. Dito na siya, inintay niya lang kami. Hindi niya kami sinamahan guys.